Welcome to the Discretionary Mutual Fund podcast series, an opportunity to dive deeper into the information already shared about the setting up of a DMF to replace traditional insurance for the APAL and Pear industry. My name is Richelle Zealley, and I'm joined today by Justin Niven, Managing Director of KJ Risk Group and DMF Specialist. Today we're going to talk about the data that's actually collected, because obviously we're asking for your information about your business and your insurance policies. So Justin, I'm interested to know what is done with the data that's collected for the feasibility study and who has access to this information.
Thank you, Richelle. We store the data firstly within KJ Risk Group servers, which are secure and backed up offsite. We are held to comply with the Privacy Act. And so it's a very important question. At this point in time, your participation in the DMF feasibility study is really only as far as providing us with data. There is no commitment on your part. Your data is not shared in any personally identifiable way with any outside party. So APAL, AB Phillips and KJ Risk Group, who are running this project, have access to all of the data, but any data that is communicated externally is only communicated on a macro level. By way of example, we needed to talk to insurance markets as part of the feasibility study. It was a critical step because without insurance markets wanting to support the DMF, it's clearly not feasible. In order to do that, we needed to share, for example, your total premium and your total claims averages. And so thus we shared that with the global markets that we spoke to. So once again, your personal, individualized, identifiable data is not shared with anybody outside of APAL, AB Phillips and KJ Risk Group. We are only using the data for the purpose that it was collected, which is to undertake the feasibility study. Beyond that, the data cannot be used for any other reason.
Thank you for sharing that information today, Justin. I'd also like to point out too that there is a privacy policy associated with the DMF data collection on the APAL website. If for any reason you can't find it or you'd like me to send you a copy, please reach out. Otherwise, if you would like more information about participating in the DMF, please contact the APAL team or click the link associated with this podcast.